Hi there, welcome to math class. Our title is using factorization to find the highest common factor. The highest common factor the highest common factor is the highest common factor is the factor the highest common factor is the factor that is largest in terms of quantity, quantity means numbers or amount, quantity, and power or degree, and power. For example, find HCF. Instead of highest common factor, we write the abbreviation of that is HCF of 8 a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3, and 6, a to the power of 3, b to the power of 2. There are several common factors. There are several common factors and these these two terms such as two 2a to the power of 2, 2b to the power of 2, 2ab to a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2, but 2a to the power of 2, this one, 2a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2, in terms of degree, and in terms of degree and amount or quantity, amount is the largest. Yes. Therefore, it means that therefore 2a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2 is equal to HCF. HCF means highest common factor. The highest common factor is the factor that is the largest in terms of quantity and power. For example, find the HCF of 2a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3, and 6a to the power of 3, b to the power of 3. There are several common factors in these two terms, such as 2 to a, 2a to the power of 2, 2b, 2b to the power of 2, 2ab, 2a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2, but 2a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2 in terms of degree and amount is the largest. Because if we take the power of 3, a to the power of 3, here is the a to the power of 3, but here is not a to the power of 3. We find that number that if we divide both of these terms to this one is divisible, and also this is the highest. All of these are divisible by this, divisible by these two terms, but the largest one is 2a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2. That is the largest or the highest common factor. In some of the books there is written highest common factor, in some of the books is the or HCF, in some of the books are written LCF, means largest common factor. Now I shall for you some examples. Example, find the HCF highest common factor of the following expressions. Find HCF or highest common factor of the largest common factor of the following expressions. A to the power of 3 plus 2 a to the power of 2 b plus a b to the power of 2 and comma 6 a to the power of 3 plus 4 a to the power of 2b minus 2 ab to the power of 2 and 3 a to the power of 2 plus ab, all of this to the power of 2. To the power of 2. So what we do, we start to do one by one of these. Expressions. Now we do one by one of them. We use the factorization. For example, the first one, a to the power of 3 plus 2 a to the power of 2 b plus a b to the power of 2, and all of these, the a is common factor, so we write a times a to the power of 2 plus 2 is a to the power of 3, 2, one of them is going out, it's remaining a to the power of 1 b plus b to the power of 2, and this is equal to a, and we know from the factoring and from identities that a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2 is a plus b to the power of 2. Now we do second one. In the second one, 6 a to the power of 3 plus 4 a to the power of 2b is equal to this, in the quantity of 6 and 4, 2 is common, and a to the power of 2. 2a to the power of 2, sorry, and there is also another number, minus 2ab to the power of 2. So 2a is common, is remaining 6 divided by 2 is 3, and a to the power of 2 minus a to the power of 1 is a to the power of 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2, a b minus a is out, b to the power of 2. So now what we do, we write it like this. This is equal to 2a 3a to the power of 2 plus 3ab because there is 2ab, but we write this one as a 3ab, we should subtract 1ab minus ab. 3ab minus ab is again, that is 2ab minus b to the power of 2. Now if take common 2 by 2 of them, like these 2 and these 2, so that's equal to 2a is common between these two, 3a. Now remaining a plus b, and here the common is minus or negative sign, negative b, so then negative b is common. So what is remaining here? A minus time minus is positive, negative time negative is positive b. And now from here it's equal to 2 and 1 is, and between these two a plus b is common, a plus b, and the second factor is 3a minus b, 3a minus b. So this is for the second expression. For the third expression, there is 3a to the power of 2 plus ab all to the power of 2 is equal to, we can take we can factor a from these, and here is remaining a plus b. So a can do like this, 3a times a plus b all square or all to the power of 2. So it means that a is to the power of 2 and also a plus b is to the power of 2. So we can write a to the power of 2 outside of this with the 3, that is equal to a 3a to the power of 2. What is remaining inside? Is remaining a plus b to the power of 2. So now what we do, we write all of them here. The first one is a times a plus b to the power of 2. Our second one is 2 is 2a. 2a times a plus b times 3a minus b and for third one is 3a to the power of 2 a plus b to the power of 2. Now, in all of these, we see what is the highest common factor. What is the highest common factor between all of these? The term of numbers, there is no number common, just here's a and a plus b, a and a plus b. The only thing is the common in all of this. Here is a to the power of 2, a plus b to the power of 2, here is a plus b to the power of 2, but this is the largest one to common both all of them, all of these three, and 3a minus b, 3a minus b is not common. And the number 2 is not number 2, 3, and 1 is not common. The only thing is common is a and a plus b. It means that HCF or highest common factor is a plus b. Example. Find the HCF or highest common factor of HCF of a to the power of 2 minus ab and a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. Now we know that a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equal to a minus b and times a plus b, and also a to the power of 2 minus ab. Between these two terms, the a is common. Now is what is remaining? A minus b. Now we know that A minus B is common in both of them, so therefore we say that HCF in these two statements or two expressions is equal to A minus B. A minus B is the highest common factor in these two expressions. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a wonderful and great days and nights. Bye bye.